Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aastha here. So today, in this video, we are going to make a Tic Tac Toe game. So today, I will make the half part of it because there are many codes. Almost 500 plus codes are there. So it will take lots of time if I will make in one video. So what you have to do is, this is part 1. You have to check all the parts. So that's it. Let's begin. Firstly, we have to take a variable from the variables, as you all know, and this is uh, like very similar to the app lab. So only codes are different, and there is no designing area. These are the animations which we have taken. Okay, so what you will do is you will take these animations. Okay, so let me just explain you the codes. So firstly, we have taken a variable player1, and after that variable game tie, variable tie. These are the all the variables are there. So you will do these variables. Only the what you have to do is you have to only to change the IDs, and that's it. So let me just come on to the line number 14. If I will explain it very clearly and all, so it will go very lengthy. So I will tell you one code, and if the another codes are same, so I will just make you understand what changes you have to do, and that's it. In the line number 14, variable back creates sprite 200 and 200. Okay. After that, we have taken a gap, and the line number 16, variable replay equals to create sprite 500 and 1000. Okay. In the line number 17, variable C1 create sprite 100 and 100. And till C1 to C9, the codes are same, only the sprite X and Y positions and all is different. Okay. So you will make it do by yourself. Let's come on to the line number 27. In this, back set animation, then back. Okay, so this block I have taken from the sprites, the second one. Okay. After that, in line number 29, C1 dot set animation blank. Okay, the animations are gonna be blank. So C1 to C9, you have to only to change the C1, C2, and that's it. The blank in all the blocks we have taken blank. In the line number 38, we have taken this block. Okay, and after that, C visibility, we have just changed it, and these all the values are false. You can see here. In the line number 48, the main part comes now. We have to we have to draw a function. Okay, so in the line number 52, background is white. The line number 53, line 150, 50. This is 150 is x1. Then after that 50 is y1, 150 is x2, and 350 is y2. These are the positions. Okay, you will take a screenshot and you will just put these values in your codes. In the line number 61, fill black. You will fill the black color. After that, 62 line. 62 line, text size is equal to 20. Now, if player 1 is equal to 1, then text x turn 180 and 25. Okay. After that, if player 2 is equal to 2, then text 0 turn 180 and 25. In the line number 70, if uh, first we will take the AND block. from the maths. You can see this one block. Okay, we have to take one block. Inside the first block, you have to put another one. Okay, so you can see the values are a little bit like typical. Okay, yes, maybe you are able to understand. Yes, it is good. Now, player 1 is equal to 1 and mouse press over. Mouse pressed over, whenever we will press the mouse over, C1. Okay, and C11 is equal to 0. Then C1 set animation X. Okay, X and Y animations, these are. Can you see? So we have just make it right that which one animation we are choosing. C1 set animation X, then tie plus 1. Okay. After that, C1 scale is equal to 0.17. C1 dot visible is equal to true. C111 is equal to 1. Player is equal to 2. Okay. Like this we have created. So let me just show you what the whatever the things are there which are been changing. So firstly player 1 and then press mouse over you have to write C2 and C22. Please whatever IDs I'm just writing you have to write the same IDs, otherwise the app will not work. So after that C2 we have taken another block here. Okay, after that C2, then C2, wherever you have written C1 or C11, you have to just change these values to C22. As like the after that we have to click on the C3, C33, and till the same scenario you have to do till 99 and 9. Okay, till here. And so we are done with 150 codes. If you want to see whether you want to take screenshot, you may take it. Okay. So these are the till 150 we have done. In the next video, I will tell you till 150 to whatever, wherever, till wherever I will be able to explain you, I will make it sure. And so that's all for today's video, guys. I will soon meet in my next video, will which is gonna be Tic Tac Toe Part 2. This is Part 1. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, then give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel and do join my Telegram group. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.